Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special in store for you, a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a vibrant and energetic Dandiya dance scene. It's going to be a fun and colorful experience, so grab your art supplies and let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basics. Hold the paper in portrait mode. Pause the video, draw the step, and then proceed to the next step. In the end, you can use the color reference as shown. This will be your final result. You can use oil pastels or watercolors as your coloring medium to achieve the final output. This drawing is meant to develop your figure drawing skills, get a command on lines, and learn to create a form. This exercise will also boost your imaginative and creative approach. Let's begin. To begin, let's sketch the basic pose of our Dandiya dancer. Start by drawing a rectangle for her torso and an oval for her head. Then, outline the ghagra, which is a part of her costume. Now, draw a pair of cylinders for her hands up in the air, holding the dandiya sticks. Her legs will be in a dancing position. Add a few details like the jewelry now, and let's start drawing the eyes, nose and mouth. The girl should look happy and energetic, so make sure to add a smiling face. Once you have the basic shape, refine the details. Sketch the ghagra choli, dandiya sticks, and at the folds of her clothing for a more vibrant look. Now, let's work on the background. We want it to be colorful but not too distracting. Draw curtains and a few shapes and patterns that represent the spirit of Dandiya dance. It's time to bring your drawing to life with colors. Let's start by coloring our Dandiya dancer. Her ghagra choli and dandiya sticks should be vibrant and eye-catching. We can now color the background. Use vibrant colors to match the energy of the dance. You can refer to the coloring scheme as shown. Experiment with different shades to create depth and dimension. Add highlights and shadows to make the clothing and sticks look three-dimensional. And there you have it, a beautiful drawing of a Dandiya dance scene with a joyful dancer in a vibrant ghagra choli, surrounded by a colorful and dynamic background. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. And remember, practice makes perfect, so keep sketching and honing your skills. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.